YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell your mama and them, because we litty over here. And without further ado, please make sure you comment, like, subscribe, even share the video. Tell people about your girl, because we fun over here. So why not, don't what they say, don't gatekeep, y'all. We gotta oh, my nose is itching. We gotta share the information with the people, okay? So in today's video, what am I gonna be doing? I'm doing an unboxing. Now am we like a little lopsided? I don't know, but we just gonna do the video. So I got a package right here on the floor. That's my chair. I did not pass gas. So we got a package right here. We got my scissors right here. So we're gonna just, oh, I snapped my nail. That's the only thing with long nails, you snag them on everything. So it's like you gotta be careful. I just be wild forgetting that I have these long nails. And I really cannot afford to forget, because one false move and whew, it's still on. Hurts. So I'm not sure what this is. Y'all, because by the time y'all get this, I don't know when it's gonna be. So I'm not sure. Ooh, but I see it already. Y'all see it. Y'all see that cognac? That cognac. So this is a DH fine. Because lately, the good old AliExpress they haven't been having things. So I just been, purchasing stuff over there. So yeah, I decided to get this overnight bag. Even though I've been chilling, just a little overnight bag. Because I had a bag, I might put it up here, a picture of the video I did. I actually had two damier print dupe LV like overnight bags. One I gave to my mom, one I kept, and then Nana Rare, my Nana, of course, she was like, "Oh, that's cute. Why you don't be using that? Why is it just sitting on the floor?" I was like, let me clean it up, because it was just a little dusty. I was like, let me clean it off, go in there, clean it out, which there was nothing in there, because the last time I went out of town, I used that bag, and there was literally nothing in it other than the toiletry bag that matches it. I gave her both of them. I'm like, girl, here. She don't be going nowhere either. She be coming over here. So I was like, cute little overnight bag you can use when you come over here and stuff. So I gave that to Nana Rare. So yeah, this is a overnight bag. It's not very big because I don't plan on doing any traveling. It's just a spend the night bag. Spending the night bag. That's what it is. Ain't nothing, I ain't trying to move nowhere, no nothing. It's a spending the night. So it's this size. The MCM cognac color. It does come with a shoulder strap. And yeah, it's just, some might say that it probably looks like a big purse, but I wouldn't wear this as a purse. Definitely an overnight bag. So yeah, I just got this just to, use it as an overnight bag. Now this is something that you would probably, maybe like one or two or three, like simple outfits, like some leggings, some t-shirts, that's me, or some jogging pants, your underpants, your undergarments, stuff like that. And I'm kind of trying to complete my MCM trifecta, my dream team of bags. I wanted this overnight bag. Y'all know I got the book bag, I got the fanny pack, and the last thing I want is the MCM tote bag. So that's like my trifecta. You know how they have the trifectas one, everybody with the LV, they'll probably like the damier print, the monogram print, like you got to kind of get like all the prints. Well, my trifecta, my all-star dream team squad would be this. Once again, the backpack, fanny pack, I got a hat, and just the tote. This is cute. It's something simple, something light. Yeah, nothing major. Something cute. Put the strap on there. So I thought this was very convenient to have. And then like when I go to my nana house, I just be chilling over her house for real, because we don't be doing nothing. I don't be doing nothing, y'all. So it's like if I even bring something over there, like we be chilling in our big pajama shirts. So it's not like I'm going over there, you know, whatever. So yeah, y'all. Simple bag, pretty small. I don't know if this is, you know, would be considered like a carry-on. I have a confession, I've never been on an airplane, so I don't know what the requirements are for an airplane. So I don't know if that would be considered a carry-on luggage. I don't know. Everybody like, you never, you know, I've never been, I'm 31 years old and never been on an airplane because I'm terrified of heights. So it's like if I can't drive there, I'm not going. But I decided maybe this year or next year I'll try to talk myself into getting on an airplane, which I told myself, my mom, she said, I'll go with you. I said, when we go on the airplane, I'm not going to lie, I know I'm going to cry. And I don't cry about anything, rarely. So it's just like, when I get on the airplane, I know I'm going to cry because I'm scared of heights, like terrified. Very terrified. And that would definitely be a vlog moment. But yeah, y'all, that is my unboxing of the MCM. I didn't do what this is. Of the MCM little overnight bag. Get into it. And I want to say this was only, it was under $30. I don't even think it was that much. I think it was like 20 something dollars, but you know, with tax and stuff like that, probably came up just about $30 or a little bit under. So y'all know I be trying to find bargains. You know, with DHK, unfortunately I can't link the stuff down below, but when you're looking, just put like designer luggage, designer overnight bag, luxury overnight bag, luxury, you know, just whatever you search and put either designer or luxury in front of it. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.